how to treat dry skin in winter. Hello guys, welcome back to Skincare and Beauty Tips, your favorite channel for radiant, healthy, and gorgeous skin throughout the year. Winter is here, and along with it comes that dry, flaky sensation on your skin. Don't worry today, I'll share simple and effective tips to treat dry skin in winter and keep your face soft, smooth, and radiant. 1. Gentle cleansing. 30 seconds. Let's start with your cleanser. In winter, skip harsh face washes that strip your skin's natural oils. Use a mild, hydrating cleanser with ingredients like hyaluronic acid, glycerin, or ceramides. These ingredients preserve moisture and maintain a strong skin barrier. Always wash your face with lukewarm water, never hot water because hot water aggravates dryness. 2. Moisturize smartly. 45 seconds. Immediately after cleansing, put on a rich moisturizer while your skin is still moist. This seals in moisture. Choose creams or lotions containing shea butter, vitamin E, or squalane. For added TLC, apply a few drops of facial oil at night. It provides your skin with a natural glow and helps to prevent tightness or flakiness during sleep. 3. Utilize a humidifier 20 seconds. Dry winter air can get really dry, even inside. Having a humidifier puts moisture back into the air and keeps your skin moist. If you don't have one, just keep a bowl of water close to your heater. It definitely makes a difference. 4. Don't skip sunscreen. 25 seconds. UV rays can still cause damage to your skin even during winter. So yes, you do still need sunscreen. Apply a broad-spectrum SPF 30 or above before venturing outside. It wards off dryness, dullness, and premature aging. 5. Hydrate from the inside. 25 seconds. Skin beauty begins from the inside. Drink water in excess and include omega-3 rich foods such as walnuts, chia seeds, and fish into your diet. These maintain your skin soft and moisturized, even in extreme cold weather. And that's how you can treat dry skin this winter easily and naturally. If you enjoyed these tips, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to Skincare and Beauty Tips for additional videos on glowing, healthy skin weekly. Drink water, stay confident, and keep shining.